Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Can you even believe that it's February? I can't freaking believe it. So I'm recording this video on January 31st, which means tomorrow is the first day of the second month of 2019, meaning 1 month is already gone and I cannot emotionally handle it. This month has been January, you really know how to throw a wrench in things, let me tell you what. As I'm sitting here, we're in the middle of the polar vortex, and I haven't left my home since Tuesday night. It's Thursday, by the way, because it's so freaking cold outside. And it's just, oh, the winter. Mother Nature is mad. Winter and I don't get along. I'm highly considering moving in with my in-laws for the remainder of the season. It's just a mess. But that's not why we're here. We're not here to listen to Brianna complain about winter because I live in Chicago. We all knew it was going to happen, but man, this winter is hitting real hard. We are here today to talk about my goals. Every month I like to review my previous month's goals and let you know how I did, and then we're going to look ahead to the new month and see what goals I have set. Now this year I am using the Cultivate What Matters Powersheets as my goal planner, and this is just kind of how I'm going to, at least for now, set up my goal lists for the month as well, because I really like the way that it's laid out. I'm a big fan of the color coding I've got going on. If you want to see a little bit more detail about the types of goals I have for the entire year, I will link my 2019 goals video up there for you. I have all of my goals laid out. I tell you everything in terms of big picture goals that I'm striving for the year, and then what I do is I take my monthly tending sheet and I break down and set little goals that will ultimately help me get towards my bigger goals. So that being said, let's take a look at the goals I set for January and see how I did. January was a rough month, let me tell you. So the first one was create and schedule a work calendar for 2019, which I did do, and I have been using Google Calendars. This planner girl, I love me some paper planners, but Google Calendars is really great for time batching and blocking things off and rescheduling things. It's so stinking good. So I've been really enjoying using Google Calendars, and that is what I've been using to create my work and daily schedules. Set Up Plan to Eat is a meal planning program that I paid for an entire year for like $20 or something, and I really like the idea of it. I haven't started really diving in and using it yet. I have uploaded some recipes to it, but I really haven't taken full advantage of the fact that I have a meal planning software to meal plan, because this month has just been, this month. I'm kind of glad it's over and we have a fresh start. I'm not gonna lie. So I've kind of half done that goal. Come up with a list of things that bring me joy. For those of you that haven't seen my 2019 goals video, one of my goals is to make sure I'm actively cultivating joy and happiness and relaxation and things like that. Positive emotions within myself so I can bring those emotions outward. And one of the things I decided to do was just like set up a list of things that truly bring me joy. So when I'm like, I need to do something to put a little pep back in my step, I can just consult the list and be like, go do that. Go do that. You haven't done that in a while. Go do that. And I did come up with a list. My goal was a list of 100, and I currently have about like 35 things on there, but it's a work in progress. But technically, I did do it. Try something new this month. I did do that, although I'm not going to lie, I can't remember what something new was, but I have it checked out, so I did something. I don't know. Office clean out. I am 3/4 of the way done with that, and I'm about 3/4 of the way done with that. I have been actively going through things, getting rid of things, sending papers to the shredder or to the file cabinet, getting rid of all these little, I've cleaned out a lot. I've cleaned out a lot. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. Update my blogs about me page. I did that. I did that. My blog, Diva and the Divine 2018 Finances. I started them yesterday. They're not going to be done. I think I have them written down. Yes, I have them written down in February too. So that one's transferring over to the next month. Read 2 books. I am for sure 1 book down. I'm in the middle of a second audiobook, and I'm in the middle of an actual book. I'm going to read today and see how far I can get, but I can't make any promises. So I've in total read 2 books, but it's 1 full book, which I read Kind is the New Classy by Candace Cameron Bure. Highly recommend. I love her books. And I'm in the middle of Free of Me by a woman whose name I can't remember, but I'm going to be seeing her speak in February, so I want to get through her book before I go and listen to her speak. She'll be coming to my church, which is really, really exciting. And then I am also in the middle of Living the Simply Luxurious Life by Shannon Ables. She is the blogger behind thesimplyluxuriouslife.com. And I really enjoy her content, so I'm in the middle of that book too. And then Marie Kondo My Clothes. I nailed that sucker. I did that. I got rid of 72 items, and let me tell you what, I haven't missed a single one of them. I really haven't. I did this at the beginning of the month, and so I've been at least 3 weeks down without these 72 items, and I haven't missed or longed for a single one of them. Highly recommend Marie Kondoing your clothes. Highly recommend. Weekly action items. So these are divided into 3 different sections, like big monthly tasks, weekly tasks, and daily tasks. My weekly items were date night. We have gone on a date night 3 of the 4 weeks so far this month, or 5 weeks. We're down 1 week because it's this week, and he's not coming home from travels until tomorrow, so our date night will probably have to be on Saturday, but we will do it. It'll technically be February, but it's still like the last week of January, so we did do that. 4 workouts for strength a week. I nailed it the first couple weeks, but then this winter awfulness happened, and I have not been doing it. I did some stuff at home. I actually did body pump at home today, and I did a body pump workout at home last week too, so I've been trying very hard, but I haven't gotten all 4 of my strength workouts in, and it's been killing me slowly, not gonna lie. Log 2 hours at the piano. Nope, haven't been doing that. 1 blog post per week minimum I have been doing. They have been in the form of Friday 5 posts, which was a series of blog posts that I brought back from when I first started blogging. Spend time in God's Word. I have been really good about that. Weekly deeper clean of the home. Yes, I've been doing that too. I've been taking some time to make sure I wipe everything down because we haven't had our cleaning lady come yet this year. So I've been doing it. We've done the floors, I've done the counters, I've been doing it. So those were January's goals. Let's dive in with February's goals. February's first goal is to earn a Yes Fit medal, which I talked about in a previous video. These are the medals that you can earn for virtual races, and I've been loving it. I earned my first one. I'm almost done with my second one, which I would have if I had access to a cardio machine while I was trapped at home, but I don't. So my goal is to earn at least 1, maybe 2, but at least 1 of the Yes Fit medals. If you're interested in Yes Fit, I do have a code down there. It's like some weird combination of letters and numbers that I think gets you $5 off a medal, and it gets me $5 off a medal. So if you use that code, great, thanks. Finish my 2018 Diva and the Divine Finances. My cleaning environment goal for the month is to tidy the bathroom cabinets, like under the sink, and go through like all of my hair products, all of my skincare products, and just get rid of old stuff and organize it and do all that. So master bath, guest bath, and do the linen closet. Those are my environmental cleaning goals for the month. Do 1 adventurous / like out of the ordinary date night. My do something adventurous is going to be, I'm putting it out there. Oh my God, I'm putting it out there. To post body progress photos. I took pictures back at the beginning of the year of me like in a sports bra or in a tank top, whatever it was, fully exposing this midsection, fully exposing the thighs as like a before photo. And I want to work hard enough where I have progress to show and post those photos at the end of the month. Lord help me, I just put that out on the internet, so now I have to do it. Whew. Read 2 books. We'll see how that goes. Goodwill drop-off. That Marie Kondoed 72 items and whatnot, still in this house, just in a garbage bag by the door. I haven't taken everything to Goodwill yet. I have a big drop-off to go do at Goodwill, and I just haven't done it because it's been too freaking cold. So I need to do that this month. Way less at the end of the month than I did at the beginning. There's a fitness goal for you. I have a gold star next to, it's written in all caps, no junk from the grocery store, meaning I'm not bringing home any boxes of cookies or things that I know I'm going to just dive into and eat all of. I'm allowed to do, like, if we go out and get like 1 cupcake to bring home, or what, you know, like 1 brookie, 1 thing, 1 nothing bun cake. I can bring home treats. I cannot bring home a treat that is more than 1 or 2 servings. I just can't, because bad things happen, and I know this, and I'm acknowledging it, and I'm trying to prevent it from happening again. Book a Florida trip, because we're going to be traveling soon, and we need to book the trip. My weekly action items, 2 blog posts per week. Oh, I upped it. I didn't realize I upped it to 2. 2 blog posts per week. Underneath the joy category, I have 1 like facial spa day per week and paint my nails once a week. Sit at the piano for at least 30 minutes. I downed it from 2 hours to 30 minutes a week. Come on, Brianna. You can do it. You can do it. Upload 3 videos per week as a Diva in the Divine goal, which I've been doing very well. 3 strength training workouts per week. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I just got to get out of the house. I just got to say screw it. Once this polar vortex is over, by Monday, it's supposed to be 50 degrees outside. So I got that going for me, I guess. 3 strength workouts per week and scheduling social media posts ahead of time. Once a week, I gotta sit down and just schedule a couple posts to happen without me having to stop what I'm doing and put them up there myself. And then some of the daily action items I have as goals for myself. Every day I would like to meditate, spend time in prayer and in my Bible, do some sort of movement that results in 10,000 steps every day, track. For the love of God, just track your food, Brianna, every day, regardless of what it is. Track your food. February is 28 days, exactly 4 weeks, which is why I'm like, do these things. It's 4 weeks, 28 days. You can do it. No junk food from the grocery store. Track your food every day. 4 weeks. Come on, you can do this. And then get rid of something, and I have a little simplify sticker down here. I want to find something, be it like a little travel bottle of stuff that's like 5 years expired. I want to get rid of something every day just to like simplify the house a little bit. Be like, we don't read this book. Let's put this in the pile. These are old expired products. Let's get rid of those. Let's clean out the refrigerator of spoiled food. Let's get rid of that. Something every day needs to leave my house in some way, shape, or form because I'm trying to get rid of things, and that's an easy way to do it. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are my goals for February. Heaven help me. I can do this. And true story, it is the last day of January as we speak, and I have my tending list ripped out for January, and until I was filming this video, I had it laying on my counter so I can go, these are the things you need to try and finish today because it's the last day of January. Like, finish that 2nd book. I know I'm not going to finish the book, but it's going to get me to sit my butt down and read, or sit my butt down and open that spreadsheet and work on my finances and things like that. So I've been trying really hard to at least get the big picture goals done. It's also been very nice to see what I've actually already done, because I looked at it yesterday and I was like, wow, I actually have done quite a few of these things, and I just never took the time to sit down and check them off. So that actually felt really good. I've been really loving using the Powersheets as my method of goal planning for the year. It really helps me just buckle down. Last night I sat and I'm like, all right, let's do the February tending sheet. What kind of goals do I have? I want to kind of make sure I'm dabbling in all of my big picture goals and picking something that will help me work towards every one of those goals for the month, which I think is really cool. And I don't know. We'll see how February goes, because January was rough. January was really rough, and I'm really looking forward to a fresh start in February. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what some of your goals for February are. 4 weeks, exactly 4 weeks. What are you going to accomplish in those 4 weeks? Let me know so I can encourage you along your journey as much as you guys encourage me along mine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would be so kind as to click subscribe if you haven't already, I would love to have you as a part of my community. Thank you guys for taking